Take a slow breath in. Right now, you are inhaling about 10 sextillion oxygen molecules in a single breath. That's a 1 followed by 22 zeros, and at least some of them may once have passed through the lungs of a dinosaur, or floated above an ancient ocean, or been inside the body of someone who lived hundreds of years ago. Tonight, let's follow the journey of just one. Our story begins in sunlight. Around 70% of the oxygen on Earth is produced not by forests, but by tiny ocean organisms called phytoplankton. These microscopic life forms float near the ocean's surface. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, they perform photosynthesis. As a byproduct, oxygen is released. Two oxygen atoms bond together, forming O. That molecule escapes into the air, invisible, silent, essential. Every 2 out of 3 breaths you take are thanks to the ocean. Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere. It does not belong to anyone. It moves freely through global air currents. On average, an oxygen molecule may remain in the atmosphere for thousands of years before being used in a reaction. That means the air you breathe today has been circulating since long before modern civilization. There is no new oxygen, only ancient oxygen, endlessly recycled. Now you inhale. Air moves into your lungs, where you have roughly 300 million tiny air sacs called alveoli. If you spread them flat, they would cover about the area of a tennis court. Through these thin membranes, oxygen passes into your bloodstream. Each red blood cell can carry about 1 billion oxygen molecules, and your body contains trillions of red blood cells. Within seconds, that oxygen molecule is traveling through arteries, moving toward cells that need energy. Your brain alone uses about 20% of the oxygen you breathe. Every thought you have is powered by oxygen. Inside your cells are mitochondria, microscopic energy factories. Through a process called cellular respiration, oxygen helps convert nutrients into ATP, the energy currency of life. Without oxygen, your cells can only produce a small fraction of the energy they normally generate. This is why you can survive weeks without food, days without water, but only minutes without oxygen. That one molecule is now helping power your heartbeat, your blinking, your movement, even your curiosity right now. After helping release energy, oxygen bonds with carbon to form carbon dioxide. You exhale. That carbon dioxide drifts into the atmosphere. A plant absorbs it. Using sunlight, the carbon is separated and oxygen is released again. This exchange between plants, oceans, and animals is called the oxygen cycle. It has been running for over 2.4 billion years, since tiny cyanobacteria first began producing oxygen on Earth. Before that, Earth had almost none. The air you breathe is the result of ancient life transforming the planet. The oxygen inside you right now may be older than humanity, older than forests, older than complex life. You are not breathing something new. You are borrowing something ancient. Every breath connects you to oceans, forests, microscopic plankton, and every living being that has ever inhaled. So take one more slow breath. You are participating in a planetary cycle billions of years in motion. And somewhere above the ocean, a single oxygen molecule begins its journey again.